Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your following list on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and log into your account, and then you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and you will be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on account privacy. So if your account is public, you can simply switch your account to private by toggling this button on. It will limit your following list to all the rest people, but it has a limitation that all the people who are following you will still be able to see your following list. So if you want your followers to not see your following list as well, you're going to come to settings again, scroll to the bottom, and you'll be able to see an option of help. Click on it, and then you're going to click on report a problem at the top. After that, you're going to click on report problem without shaking, and then you're going to click on include and continue. And here you're going to briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. So you're going to simply paste this, that is, please help. I want to make my following list private and keep my account public. You can simply copy it, come back to Instagram, paste it over here, and then you're going to click on send. You can also upload any screenshot that you want. So it will take a day or two to process your request, and you'll get an email from Instagram in return. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.